Check it out. That's wild, ain't it? That's what the ice is doing here. It's starting to build. You see that on the old truck out here? It's crazy. That thing's building. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Yep, she's building. The ice is beginning to build on the branches. This is bad, guys. We're gonna keep it updated. We're gonna keep a look here, but it's not looking good, guys. The ground is not crunchy yet, but the temperature's dropping, precipitation's going. It's not good.